Welcome back to another exciting video. In this series, we'll guide you through setting up a Villa network installation with Wi-Fi. In the first part, we'll focus on the initial boot and cloud setup process. Stay tuned, as there are 9 parts in total to explore. Let's get started. Before we dive in, we'll introduce the router, switches, and Wi-Fi access point we used for this setup. The Reyee router, model RGEG105GV2, which you've already seen in the thumbnail and intro, is an excellent entry-level option from the EG series. In another video, we'll dive deeper into the entire Reyee EG router lineup. Then the RGES208GC manageable switch. This switch has a switching capacity of 16 gigabits per second, 8 ports of 10, 100, 1000 base T ports, and this should be more than enough for a small office and works perfect for a luxury villa. For the manageable power over Ethernet switch, we have used the Reyee RGES206GC P-switch. This switch has a switching capacity of 12 gigabits per second for ports of IEEE 802.3 AT, IEEE 802.3 AF, PoE, 10, 100, 1000 base T ports, up to 54 watts in total and 2 standard ports. This should be more than enough for power over Ethernet devices. And for the Wi-Fi, we have used the Reyee RGR AP2260G access point, up to 200 users, with MU-MIMO antennas, 2x2 at 2.4 GHz and 2x2 at 5 GHz. Easy Reyee mesh configuration. Up to 1175 megabits per second, a 1 gigabit port, 1 power over Ethernet in, and also easy to connect with 12-volt DC power. Now that we have all devices connected, we can start setting up the router. Now open a browser and use the default 192.168.110.1 IP address to enter the router. Click on Advanced, then continue to open the wizard page from the router. Enter the default password, admin, and login. Here we see direct all the devices that already are connected to the router. We see also that the Wi-Fi access point is missing. Later, we show you how to add the Wi-Fi access point. Select your country and set the time zone where you are. This is important because of the Wi-Fi signals can be different in some countries. Enter the project name or the client's name to ensure effortless identification of the project later in the Reyee Cloud. Now click on Create Network and Connect. The router will start setting up the network for you. This can take up to 60 seconds. Now fast forward to the cloud registration. When you already have a Reyee Villa cloud account, enter your login details or sign up for one. Now click on Go to Device to enter the device config page. At the same time, we would like to enter the Reyee Cloud because some options are easier to set up via the cloud. Use your cloud credentials to log in. We select the project that we just created via the Reyee router. Follow along for the rest, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore how to add VLANs in the Reyee router. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated.